Hey guys, welcome back to Fielitz Family Fun! Today we're going to do some chemistry. Chemistry is like mixing different chemicals to make reactions. Do you know something we do, chemistry in everyday life? It's one of your favorite things to do.
My favorite thing to do is cooking.
I know. And baking is chemistry, right? You have to add different chemicals together or ingredients and you make something different.
To eat.
We've got this
A science kit.
science kit. Yeah. This is the Spongebob SquarePants Sandy Science Lab. And we haven't opened it yet. The only thing I did was take out the little experiment booklet. There's a bunch of experiments in here. Let's see, how many total?
So we can just reuse it?
Yeah, we can reuse it. It's got so many different experiments. 28 in this booklet alone.
Yeah.
So, some of the ingredients though you will need to supply yourself, but they're basic home ingredients like vinegar or water or a spoon.
Yeah.
So before we get started, we want to remind you guys to like, subscribe,
And hit the bell button.
and as always, thanks for watching. We figure this is going to be like part one of a many-part series because there's 28 experiments. So let's open this up and see what's inside.
Okay.
All right, you ready?
Yeah.
I'll open it. I'll hand you the stuff.
Okay, I will check the stuff out.
All right, guys, we're going to open it up. Wow, wow, wow.
Oh, a bunch of little stickers we can
Well, what's this?
tape. Pure tape.
So this is our little science book, so we could write our experiment name, the notes, and our findings, so we could describe what kind of reactions are happening for our little scientists. We help you out here.
Yay. Now you have to open it up to see what's inside. Oh, I see a little bubble one.
Oh, I see gloves in there too. That's good.
Oh. Oops.
Careful, looks like little pieces. Don't want to lose the pieces.
I just keep them. Oh, a little bubble one.
Ooh.
Wow. What's
Oh, here's our little stand. Okay.
Dada, you're gonna wear the gloves. They're not size for me.
Glove powder. Glove powder. Glow powder.
I think the stickers go on the blue thing.
Oh, they do?
Yeah, see the picture?
Oh, yeah, okay.
Oh, look. A little science tube. Oh.
I guess I'll stick some of the stickers on.
I want this sticker.
You want to stick some on?
Yeah.
Some of them look tricky. Like, how do you get in? How do you get in there? That's where it looks like it is, right?
Wow, look, some dirt. Why do we
Dirt?
need dirt? Oh, some sugar. Yeah.
Sugar? That's not what it is. It says sodium alginate.
Marshmallow.
Those aren't marshmallows. What does it say they are? Oh, calcium chloride. Okay.
Now let me put the stickers on.
You're gonna put the stickers on?
I'm gonna put them over here. I'm doing the
I think these gloves are too big for anyone.
okay.
It's a big glove.
But it's not big enough to fit my, look, I can't fit my hand in the wrist hole. Okay, maybe it's not big enough. Like guys, it's not big enough. I can't even get my hand in it. It looks huge this way, right?
What about Cece?
See, let's see if your hand fits in there.
It fits.
Oh, see, so it's, my hand's too big, her hand is too little. Whose hands are these for?
Mama.
All right, let's do some stickers quick. All right, while you're finishing decorating, I'm gonna show everyone else what's in the kit, okay? We have some calcium chloride, some baking soda,
And then
litmus powder, citric acid. This is a funny word. Sodium alginate. And probably the coolest one in here, glow powder.
why do we need glow powder?
We can make things glow in the dark. All right, so we have a little syringe, measuring out some stuff. Pipette. We got here a little, I guess this is a beaker. This is called an Erlenmeyer flask. That's a funny word too. This is a beaker. We have 2 test tubes and 2 test tube stoppers. And this looks like the stands to hold them up.
And 2 gloves.
2 gloves. We figure what we're going to do is we're going to go through all our experiments in order, because some of them will have you go back to a previous experiment to do something different. So we figured if we go in order, then we'll know how to do those experiments. So the first one we're going to do here is called boil and bubble. Oh, let's start. Lab equipment we need. We need our baking soda. Okay, we got baking soda. We need some household vinegar. We need our pipette. We need a test tube. We need a spoon. It doesn't say what size spoon, so we got a spoon. All right, should we show everyone our setup so far?
This is how.
Turn it around so everyone can see it.
This is how our setup's doing on the back, and this is how our setup's doing in the front. It's also this little like
Petri
cup,
dish.
and we've got a science tube right here, and there's a science tube over here.
It's in.
We got some mixing things,
Okay, some mixing sticks.
like to mix this up or this.
Okay. All right, guys. So here we go. So step number 1 says to add a spoonful of baking soda to the test tube. Now, that test tube's pretty small. How are we going to add a spoonful to
We
that?
can put a little funnel if we haven't.
Do we have a little funnel? I don't think we do. Well, you know what I learned in chemistry? I learned how to make a little funnel. Oh, here we go. Here's my little funnel.
Okay, can I put it
Does it
in?
fit in there? Da, 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 da,
But
da.
what if we spill it
Oh.
out?
Well, if we spill a little, that's okay too. So you go like this, and then you're supposed to fold this over like so. There's our funnel. See it, guys?
I'm gonna put it in.
Okay. Good, put it in.
Here we go. Ah! Yeah.
It just has to hold there till we get the stuff in. So, baking soda. And
Baking
kids,
soda.
you should definitely have a parent's help with some of these chemicals. Now, baking soda isn't dangerous. This is stuff you find around your house anyway. But you don't really want to eat it, right?
Yeah, but guys, every time you're doing like an experiment, make sure to ask a grown-up to help you.
Exactly. All right, guys. So, with that being said, let's get some scissors from my magical place. Scissors. All right, I'm gonna cut a little corner on here. I'm gonna give the spoon to Cecilia because she's my little chemist here. So I'm gonna put some of this in there, and then you're gonna put it in the funnel, okay?
Okay.
Hold it level. Ready?
Then,
Well, the more we put, the bigger the experiment. All right, I'll hold the funnel. Go ahead, pour it in here. Oh, you missed it. Look, it's on my finger. Ah! All right.
just a little.
Hold on, I'm still in my funnel.
Whoa, that's a lot.
That is a lot. Holy moly. Guys, comment below if you know what's going to happen when you mix baking soda and vinegar. Do you know what happens when you mix these two chemicals?
I know what happens if you mix stuff together, but I don't remember what you mix to make the like big toothpaste stuff.
Sounds like she's pretty close. You're talking about elephant toothpaste, right? Yeah, that's pretty
That's
close.
the only thing I know.
When you mix the two chemicals together, you're creating a gas.
Yeah?
Yeah, gas. Let's see what happens, and then I'll describe to you what the gas is.
Cars?
No, not gasoline, just a gas.
Like a fart.
I heard you!
Guys, comment below if you know the name of the gas that's going to be released when you mix baking soda and vinegar. Okay, so now we need our little pipette.
I know how to use this stuff. Like, sometimes they just put in water. Or like colored water and squeeze this and then some goes in. And then you like...
You got it.
All right, I'm going to use our little beaker to put some in. And then you can pipette it out. So squeeze the air out. Let go, let go, let go. Okay. Now, what I need you to do is carefully, one drip at a time, put it in there and then watch what happens when you drop it in. What's happening?
Like bubbly.
Bubbly, yeah, look. Keep adding. Woo! Keep going. Do you see the bubbles that are being formed?
Yeah.
What do you think those bubbles are made out of?
Gas?
Gas. Very good. Do you know what kind of gas? Fart gas. No, fart gas is methane. Guys, the gas that's getting released when you mix these two chemicals together is carbon dioxide. So another cool trick you can do with this is, you see the gas bubbles that are being released? Hold on, careful. Let it, look, it's bubbling over.
Wow, bubbles and bubbles.
Hold on, let it fizz a little bit and then add some more.
What bubbles?
So guys, another cool thing you could do with this similar experiment is you could do it in a bigger scale. Maybe with like a soda bottle, put your baking soda in, add vinegar, and then put a balloon on top. Do you know what will happen?
I saw that movie time.
Guys, comment below if you know what will happen to the balloon when you do that. If you have time, definitely try it out. It's a really cool experiment. Oh,
Hey, I'm gonna dump more.
okay, go ahead, dump some more.
By drop, by drop. Right? Mama, I'm
Here it goes, look. Oh no! Alright, see, one last thing I want you to notice. Do you see the size of the bubbles? Would you say they're small or big?
They're small.
They're small bubbles? Alright. Alright, so that's the end of this first experiment. We're going to clean this up and reset. Uh-oh. Yeah, we got to reset. We're going to get ready for the next experiment, so hang tight. Okay, guys. So we hope you liked that first experiment. The next one is basically the same thing.
But yes, with soap.
That's right, guys. We're going to add some dish soap to it. Guys, before we start the next experiment,
Subscribe.
don't forget to subscribe, like, and share our videos. We really hope you like these science ones.
And if anybody does not know about our videos, and you do, just tell your friends and anybody else.
Right. All right, guys. So, Cecilia, do you remember how we did the first experiment?
So, I
You don't remember? Well, good thing it's on video. All right, so again, it's the same as the first one. We're gonna add some baking soda, and then we're gonna add vinegar. But this time, when we put our vinegar mixture into our beaker, we're gonna add some soap.
yeah,
So, let's set this up the same way, and then we'll show you guys the soap. First, let me get my magic hand to grab my soap. I got it. Okay.
I broke your hand.
All right, Cecilia. Hold your spoon again. Guys, we're gonna get the first part set up again. I think this time we don't need to add as much though, because we didn't even use up all the baking soda before, right?
Yeah, we're gonna have all of it. Okay,
That's good? Okay, Cecilia
so
says that's
this
good.
is gonna be a small one, right? Small little.
Okay, our custom-made funnel again.
Do you think it's gonna make like a soap interior for this? Bubble?
I don't know. Let me add some vinegar here. Now, add your soap. No, hold on. Soap in there. No, soap in the vinegar. Just a drop. Okay. I don't think it really matters. But, okay. Why don't you give that a little mix?
Okay.
So everything is mixed up good. Or do you want to use your mixing stick?
My next.
Okay, use your mixing stick.
It's turning blue, Daddy.
I see, okay. So you want to show everyone our new solution?
So this time we have this, and we're still using the same.
Baking soda.
And we're gonna put some soap. I
Yeah.
want to put some soap inside here so it can turn blue.
Into the vinegar.
Yeah.
What do you think's going to happen this time?
I think that we're gonna make bubbles like
You think it's going to make bubbles for that?
this. Yeah.
Well, what happened last time when we added vinegar and baking soda?
It made bubbles going up and over.
Right, so, technical difficulties, guys, hold on. All right, I'm back. Well, if it made bubbles before, that means when we add this, it's gonna make bubbles again. This time we have soap in there, so what do you think's gonna happen to the size of the bubble? Think the bubbles are gonna be bigger?
Yeah, or maybe smaller.
Or maybe, Guys, comment below if you think the bubbles are gonna be bigger or smaller. Or maybe it won't make any bubbles at all. Okay guys, so we're gonna do the same thing. Cecilia's gonna take her pipette.
Yeah.
I'll take your mixing stick out. I'll move these bubbles out of the way.
Yeah.
So get a whole bunch of the solution in. I see, whoa, it's got a drip hanging down.
It's a bubble.
It's cool.
How do I get it off?
Blow it.
Just put it back in there. Or let go. Oh, there you go. Then let it go while it's in there. All right, you ready? Do drop by drop. Let's see what happens now.
Gonna make more bubbles. Ooh, it's making no bubbles.
Oh my.
Really?
Whoa, look at it.
It's making like,
Cecilia, do you see what's happening?
yeah, it's making like big and small.
Yeah, but look at the majority of the bubbles. How big are those?
Middle size.
The middle? They look super tiny to me.
I mean, they are like,
Look how tiny they are. It looks like the bubbles are even tinier. They are so tiny. I would have thought the bubbles were going to be bigger.
oh my!
Ooh, it's separating. Look at it go. Look, see it's going down. You want to add a whole bunch to see what happens?
Yeah, I'm gonna squirt it.
All right, let's see what happens. All right, here we go. Adding a whole bunch at once. Okay, let's see what happens. Ah, let it go. Ah! Whoa! Look how tiny those bubbles are. It's an eruption of bubbles.
Hey, do you want me to do more?
Sure, let's see you do more. All right, stick it in. Give it a good squeeze. There it comes again. Uh-oh, you sucked it into the pipette. Ah, there they go, erupting.
Look how the bubbles are.
All right, guys, I didn't expect that. Comment below if you guys knew it was gonna make tiny bubbles or if you thought it was gonna be big bubbles. Make sure you follow this series so you can see what other fun experiments we have. Just to give you guys an idea of what we have here, we have fizz and sea foam. We have our own custom bubble solution. One that sounds really cool, glow nematodes. Oh my goodness.
What's a nematode?
If you guys watch Spongebob, you know what a nematode is. But there's all kinds of experiments, and we're gonna go through all 28 of these. As always, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the thumbs up, share the videos, and drop us a comment. Let us know if you like this little science experiment thing. Oh, we will. Don't worry. All right, guys. We'll see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.